Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Telegram is up to date and that you've granted camera permission. This allows the app to access the scanner immediately. Open Telegram and tap Settings or the profile icon to reveal the QR scanner option. On mobile, it's under Settings Devices or tap the QR icon near Search. Once done, point your camera at the QR code and hold steady. The app will detect it automatically, so don't move too fast. After the scanner detects the code, Telegram will show a preview of the action, often a profile, group invite, or device link. Pause and verify the shown name or URL to avoid unwanted joins. If it's a device login, select Authorize and enter the confirmation if prompted. For links or invites, choose Open or Join. Make sure to review permissions or chat visibility before accepting, because confirming completes the connection. Finish by confirming any final prompts so Telegram can complete the requested action, whether linking a device or joining a chat. If scanning fails, clean the camera lens and improve lighting, or move slightly farther away to let the camera focus. Small adjustments often fix recognition. If problems persist, restart Telegram, toggle camera permission off and on, or update the app. These steps clear common glitches and restore the QR scanner functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.